The Secret to Love, Health, and Money. Your ticket to the Law of Attraction universe is Rand Byron's The Secret to Love, Health, and Money. The book provides you with all the information you need to realize your ideal future in terms of money, health, and love. To create the life you desire and enjoy the wonders of this amazing universe, simply read and put into practice. The law of attraction states that whatever you focus on, think about, read about, and talk about intensely, you're going to attract more into your life. Jack Canfield. Are you familiar with The Secret Book, the same book that has made the law of attraction simple for millions of people to understand? Numerous people's lives all throughout the world changed as a result. Numerous athletes, celebrities, and well-known individuals discussed it. Introduction. Yes, we will discuss Rand Byron's most recent book in the Secret series, The Secret to Love, Health, and Money. This synopsis is for everyone, regardless matter whether you're a huge fan of the Secret books or are just beginning to consider the possibility of changing your life via your ideas. If you want more money, better health, and greater love, this summary is for you. A woman composed a letter to her ideal husband, praising him for treating her so well, to test whether or not fantasy works. She was appreciative of his many special traits, his generosity and sense of humor, and their common passions for reading, art, travel, and classical music. A romantic date they had together was the subject of their writing. Even though she had never met him before writing the letter, the thought of it profoundly altered their lives. You will be shocked to learn that she eventually found her true love, and he was just as she had described him in her letter. And he led her to the very location she had described in her writing and in her imagination. If you visualize the law of attraction in your mind, you will see that you already have what you want right now. This book will explain how you can attract love, health, and money in every area of your life, just like that woman. The secret you can use to make your life abundant, healthy, and loving. If you want to see that everything you can imagine is waiting for you, it is made completely invisible. The book also outlines several reliable procedures that can help you get the intended outcome. Your relationships, health, finances, aspirations, and happiness will all alter as a result of utilizing these powerful procedures, which will improve your life. Therefore, let's share this secret. Finally, based on our own experience, we have provided a clear road plan that you may use to attract anything in your life. As a result, you must read the summary through to the finish. So let's get going. Chapter 1. The Secret to Love. You are a magnet for love. When you radiate love, you attract more love into your life. Louise Hay. Oprah Winfrey has publicly discussed how she manifested her relationship with Stedman Graham by using the law of attraction. Oprah stated in an interview with The Secret that she had a clear idea of the type of man she wanted to date, someone who would love her without conditions, be kind, educated, and supportive. Additionally, she made a vision board with phrases and pictures that reflected her perfect partnership. Oprah then turned her attention to love-related good feelings and thoughts. She declared that she would find her ideal spouse and that she was deserving of love. Additionally, she pictured herself in a loving and contented relationship. Oprah met Stedman Graham a few months later. They have been together for more than 30 years, and he was everything she could have hoped for in a companion. Natural laws govern the entire cosmos. Because aviation operates in accordance with natural rules, we are able to fly in an aeroplane. Although we have discovered a method to act in accordance with natural laws in order to pass, the laws of physics have not changed to allow us to fly. Our lives are governed by laws, just as gravity, electricity, and aviation are governed by laws of physics. You must have a thorough understanding of this law in order to mend or restore a relationship or draw in a new one. The universe's strongest law of attraction should always be kept in mind when applying this guideline. The law of attraction explains everything, from a flower drawing bees to a seed drawing nutrients from the soil to a seed drawing all living things to its species. The force that pulls people to one another is also known as attraction. It draws individuals together to create communities, societies, and groupings based on shared interests. One individual is drawn to art by the power, while another is drawn to science. The strong law that controls everything from atoms to innumerable galaxies is called the law of attraction. It operates throughout the entire universe, in everything, and through everything until everything is maintained in harmony. And in your life, this is the law at play. One thing to keep in mind is that your thoughts shape your life. Through your education, everything that enters your life is drawn to you. The law of attraction is unchangeable, just like all other natural laws, nobody is above it or immune to it. Therefore, you will draw into your relationships whatever you think about them. You must think about love if you want to attract love in return. If you think positively, you attract positive individuals, beneficial circumstances, and positive events. However, you might anticipate hostile and irate people, circumstances, and occurrences to enter your life if you are thinking negative or angry thoughts. Your relationships will improve and every other aspect of your life will be lifted if you think positively about the other individuals. It's a powerful term. The law of attraction states that you attract what you think or say about other people. When you whine or place blame on someone, you are damaging your life. You will have to endure suffering since it is your life. Are you considering your relationships in a favorable light? Because whereas negative studies demonstrate the lack of love, good thoughts are based on you and are derived from love. Therefore, think positively and improve your relationships. What you believe to be the primary cause of everything in your life is the law of attraction. This covers your living conditions, employment, financial status, health, and all of your relationships. Everything you see and feel in this world has an impact because you carry your thoughts about yourself into your life. Your thoughts are always the cause. You have so many thoughts in a day that they are all meaningless because most of them don't evoke powerful emotions in you. Adding intense emotions to your ideas amplifies them. And when you think your beliefs are real, you always feel strongly. To grasp this, picture your emotions as fuel and your ideas as a rocket ship. Since fuel is what gives a rocket ship its lift, a rocket ship is a stationary vehicle that is powerless without it. Your thoughts are no different. Your thoughts are powerless without your emotions. Your emotions enable you to quickly convey your thoughts, while your thoughts become the primary cause of everything that occurs. The more strongly you feel about a notion, the more power you attach to it, and the more quickly it manifests in your life. Your feelings give you insight into the type of ideas you are having. Positive evaluations invariably generate positive emotions, and negative thoughts generate negative ones. Therefore, pay attention to your feelings if you want to determine whether you are thinking positively or negatively. Your life and your feelings will improve as you come up with more positive thoughts. Unless you alter your perspective, life gets worse the more negative evaluations you think about. You are changing the thoughts you are releasing when you alter your perspective on a connection. If you are having a difficult relationship, use a simple yet effective technique. Spend a few minutes each day feeling the love you have for the other person, then open your heart and send that love out into the world. By doing this, you can get rid of any animosity, bitterness, or negativity you may have towards that individual. On the other side, negativity will never help you repair your connections. Anger, resentment, or other unpleasant emotions towards someone else draw them back to you. Love comes back to you when you feel it. Focus on loving everything around you if you find it difficult to deal with positive aspects of a person or a relationship. Thinking positive thoughts and feeling good no matter what is going on is the answer to all relationship problems. The law of attraction addresses your problems. The better you can guess, the better you think. Don't be scared to alter your relationships. Keep in mind that everything that occurs is ultimately for our mutual benefit. Whatever occurs is irrelevant. What matters is how we choose to view it and what we do with the opportunity we are given. Concentrate on requesting better and more original things to do from the universe. Feel this shift taking place and that a lovely relationship is on the horizon. It is going to improve your life. Thus, begin to think and feel optimistically from today on. Good partnerships encourage people to consider and speak more about their desires. Additionally, people in difficult relationships frequently overanalyze situations and discuss things they don't want. They wonder why issues in their relationships keep coming up since they spend so much time thinking and discussing what they don't want in a relationship. However, they have included such issues into their discussions of what they do not want. Words like no are not calculated by the law of attraction. The contrary is heard by the law of attraction when you utter phrases like don't want. I don't want to argue, you say. I want to argue more, says the law of attraction. I don't want to lose them, you thought. I want to lose them, states the law of attraction. You will lead a genuinely remarkable life if you just concentrate on the things you love, the things you want, and the things that bring you joy. Although no relationship is flawless, you can appreciate the other person for who they are if you can think of 10 good things for every negative comment. In the pursuit of romance, a lot of people invest a great deal of time and money in dating applications and matchmaking services. However, the only specialized matchmaking service is the law of attraction. All you have to do is discuss and reflect on the kind of relationship you desire. Consider and discuss any wonderful qualities you would like to see in your spouse, then relax, feel happy, and let the universe take care of the rest. Let the cosmos guide you to your matchmaker and bring them to you. At last, you discover a mate who is just like you, and you succeed. Since you are a creator, you may establish any kind of relationship with ease. This is the most effective technique to harness the law of attraction's power. These 3 simple steps can help you reach your goals. The first step is to ask. You are free to express your preferences for a partnership. Choose what you're looking for in a unique partnership. The second step is to trust. If the dream connection you've been looking for is yours, then claim it. All circumstances, people, and events will be transferred to you by the cosmos when you do this. Additionally, have faith that your partner will meet you while you wait to meet them. Your biggest power is your conviction that you already have that person in your life and are in a relationship. The third and last step in the creative process is to achieve. Feel good about establishing that relationship, ask once, and have faith that you have finished. You are on the receiving frequency when you are feeling good. You will receive what you requested and are at the frequency of all the positive things that come your way. Until you felt comfortable about being in a relationship, you wouldn't ask for one, would you? Feel happy, and you will achieve all of your goals. The process of coming up with the relationship you wish to attract follow up. Do your best to feel as good as you can while maintaining your faith. The cosmos will then grant you every wish you have ever had. You apply the law of attraction when you visualize something you love and desire. You get what you envision when you have a favorable mental image, such as a loving, caring relationship, and you feel good about it. What you want for yourself is drawn to you by the magnetic force created by your thoughts, emotions, and feelings. You can do everything you can imagine by thinking and feeling it. Imagine your ideal relationship exactly as you would like it to be if you want to attract it. You only need to experience the emotions of being in that relationship after that. We call this process visualization. Close your eyes and visualize the type of connection you desire in order to visualize a relationship. As you see doing whatever you want in this relationship, you construct a new reality. The law of attraction and your subconscious mind are unaware of whether what you are imagining is genuine or not. When you believe the relationship you're envisioning and you're at the point where it feels real, you'll know it's gone from your subconscious. The law of attraction will take care of that for you. Use visualization to feel as though you already have the relationship you desire in every scene. Feel the love and appreciation for receiving it by imagining it. Continue doing this daily until you feel as though your desire has already been fulfilled. Using the vision board to draw lovely relationships is another method to exercise your imagination. By creating a vision board and taking pictures of your ideal life, you may let your creativity run wild. You are visualizing images as you gaze at the vision board. Your senses are stimulated and positive thoughts and emotions are evoked when you concentrate on your vision board. Your intellect and your emotions are two aspects of nature that are fully focused on you. Another excellent method to use your imagination for relationships is to write or keep a journal. You can also write about how that individual is in your relationship if you want to draw in the right spouse. Anything that is important to you can be included, such as their interests, profession, family history, and likes and dislikes. Playing games in your head is another method to use your imagination to change your relationships. As we grew older, we became more serious about life because we stopped playing and enjoying fun like kids. But bad things happen to you because of gravity. When you play and enjoy yourself, you feel fantastic and favorable circumstances appear in your life. Feeling happy when envisioning is crucial, regardless of how you utilize your imagination to draw in new and stronger relationships. Imagine your perfect connection and capture that energy. You may use your ideas and emotions to their fullest potential by taking a quick look at how you see and experience your want. Thus, begin to imagine now. You are content and joyful with the people in your comfortable circumstances when you are thankful. And turn into a draw for enjoyable occasion. Gratitude serves as the link between melancholy and happiness, as well as between loneliness and despair and a life filled with joy, love, and special connections. The law of attraction will increase your happiness, skills, special experiences, and love in your relationships, regardless of whether you are expressing gratitude to someone or for a gift, shared experience, or a new relationship. For this, consider someone you are thankful for. The person you love the most can be your first choice. Another option is to pick a partner with whom you're struggling. Concentrate on that individual and list all the aspects for which you are thankful and adore them. Then inform the person, either aloud or in your thinking. People you care for and appreciate as though they were with you. Express your love for them in whatever way you can. Saying, "I remember the time when," and then filling in the blanks, can help you remember special moments. Feel thankfulness fill your body and heart as you do this. Your relationship and your life will benefit from the love and gratitude you believe this small deed will bring. How simple it is to use thankfulness to transform your life. Chapter 2. The Secret to Health. Your health is a reflection of your thoughts and feelings. Deepak Chopra. Victoria Beckham has publicly discussed how she overcame a variety of health issues, such as an autoimmune disease and polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, by applying the law of attraction. After receiving a PCOS diagnosis, Beckham stated in an interview that she began applying the law of attraction. She claimed that she validated her wonderful health every day and pictured herself as bright and energetic. Additionally, Beckham modified her lifestyle and food to promote her well-being. She began to get adequate sleep, eat a balanced diet, and exercise frequently. Beckham's health considerably improved over time. Her autoimmune disease went into remission, and she was able to control the symptoms of her PCOS. Beckham is now a lively, healthy woman. She is a wealthy businesswoman and fashion designer who is also a loving mother to her 4 kids. Her experience serves as an illustration of how to employ the law of attraction to draw in excellent health. Maintaining good health is similar to how young children feel. Every day, young toddlers are bursting with activity. Walking is easy for them, their body feels light and flexible. They had their eyes on their feet. They are content and stress-free, and his mind is clear. They feel totally rejuvenated, as though they had a new physique, and they sleep soundly and deeply every night. Every day is a source of excitement and passion for them. You can see what it means to be healthy by observing small children. You should continue to feel the same way you did previously. Because health is constantly there for you, you could have similar feelings most of the time. We shouldn't withhold anything from you at any time. You are entitled to whatever you desire, including your health. But in order to succeed, you must be ready. The law of nature is the law of attraction. It reacts to all thoughts, whether happy or bad, in a similar way and is impersonal. The law of attraction just delivers you everything you think about. It doesn't prioritize health over illness. Through people, circumstances, and events, the law of attraction captures your thoughts and makes them mirror you. First, because people focus more on what they want than what they don't want, they don't have the health they desire. In other words, they are more concerned with illness than with health and wellness. This is what you think most of the time, whether you are aware of it or not. What are your top thoughts or priorities that will manifest in your life? You'll get what you put in. The seeds you sow will determine the results you get from your thoughts. You have control over your health. You have the power to take control of your ideas and alter your life, regardless of where you are right now or what happens in it. Simply concentrate on thinking about your health and well-being all the time. According to ancient spiritual traditions, the subconscious mind has complete power over one's physical well-being. The subconscious mind controls every bodily function, including the immunological system, central nervous system, respiratory system, and digestive system. You don't consider respiration, digestion, or blood circulation. Your subconscious mind is in charge of those automatic events. In the same way, you don't have to consider how to halt the bleeding if you cut your finger. Your subconscious mind fixes itself since it performs this function and instructs the body to do its intended function. Your body delivers whatever order your subconscious mind provides it, and it functions in every system, on every level, and throughout your body. This piece presents a perfect illustration of the law of attraction. The inner world of your body works similarly to the outside world, where your ideas draw in people, circumstances, and events to achieve your goals. The events and circumstances that contribute to your physical well-being are drawn to you by your subconscious mind. Because your body obeys your commands, you must understand the invisible and special world inside it in order to fully experience and boast about the power of your subconscious mind over your body. What you carry within yourself is always within your control, and your life is a reflection of that. Unless you grant authority through your thoughts and beliefs, no external force can affect your life or health. The greatest strength lies within you, in your beliefs and thoughts. The good news is that your subconscious develops new trust as a result of your thoughts. The people, circumstances, and events in your life are drawn to you by your thoughts, which also give your life purpose. Your body receives its full potential of natural health in special ways when you are feeling good or love something, whether it be for your dog, your home, a friend, or anything else. The power of health in your parts and throughout your body is undermined when you experience negative emotions about yourself or something else. Stress causes your nerves and cells to constrict, your blood vessels to shrink, your breathing to become shallow, and your body's essential chemical production to change. It doesn't matter if you feel horrible about something unrelated to your health. When you feel bad, your body's natural ability to maintain health is diminished. It's common knowledge that laughing is the best medicine, and you've probably heard it before. Well, the power of laughter and happiness is one of the quickest and greatest ways to reduce stress and prevent illness in our bodies. You can achieve the ideal state of weight, body, and health by thinking and feeling your way there. By thinking positively and feeling good about yourself, you can make it come true. You are born with the right to good health. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that you may use to create your ideal version of yourself because you are your own creator. So, make greater use of this instrument. 3 simple steps to attract excellent health have been provided by the author. Utilize this imaginative process to create health models. Step 1. Find out what you want. Like anything else, you have a choice when it comes to your health, but be explicit about it. You are in charge of that. If you are clear, the law of attraction might only send you what you desire. You can only get mixed results because you will send a mixed frequency. Decide what you want for your body and health, and remember that there are no restrictions. You can ask for good health at any time, but most people only do it when they are ill. Every day, ask to be fully healthy by using the power of your purpose. Step 2. Trust. You need to be certain that you are in the health you desire. You should be aware that you have the opportunity to look young, maintain a healthy weight, or both. Have belief in yourself. The subconscious mind, which governs all facets of your health and the 100 trillion cells in your body, receives your trust when you have it from the conscious level. Step 3. Achieve. You only need to feel good to succeed, so ask once and have faith that you have succeeded. You are on the receiving frequency when you are feeling well. You will receive what you requested and are at the frequency of all the positive things that come your way. Therefore, feel well and attain your life's goals. To reach that frequency, there is a quicker method. Simply tell yourself, I'm succeeding now. All of my life's positive outcomes are now coming to me. My health, body weight, energy, and vitality are all in the proper range currently. Feel it, too. Feel as though you've already accomplished it. You can draw and demand more quickly by doing this. Visualizing merely entails putting intensely concentrated ideas into images and evoking feelings that are somewhat intense. That strong frequency is released into the cosmos when you are imagining. Every part of your body and health is governed by your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind absorbs those images and thoughts as though they were of you when you visualize and believe that you are in wonderful health. This is made possible by the law of attraction. The method of visualizing your general health is simple. Take a moment to visualize a picture of yourself in the desired body position. Imagine yourself in the ideal scenario for whatever it is you wish to improve, and then express gratitude as though you have already accomplished it. You will feel happy if you can visualize yourself as good, and when you think about it, the universe will make it happen. You only need to visualize and feel how your body will be in the desired state of health to notice an improvement in your health. At the same time, say to yourself every day, I am healthy. The first 2 words tell you the profound secret of commitment, I am. The universe is called upon with great force when you say, I am, because you are stating the truth. This is definitely what you're saying. I am whole, strong, powerful, full of love, harmonious, and happy, is what you should tell yourself starting today. Make an effort to repeat this statement each day. Chapter 3. The Secret to Money. The more you think about money, the more you will have. Napoleon Hill. Jim Carrey has been candid about manifesting his success through the law of attraction. Carrey claimed in an interview that he wrote a check for $10 million and dated it 1995. He pictured himself getting the bill every day and kept it in his wallet. Carrey starred in the critically acclaimed film Dumb and Dumber, which came out in 1995. For his part in the movie, he received $10 million. Carrey's story serves as an illustration of how to apply the law of attraction to draw wealth into your life. You draw more money into your life when you concentrate on having positive financial ideas and feelings. Your inheritance is financial wealth, and you can surpass your own expectations in every aspect of your life. And you use the most powerful natural law of attraction to choose your life whenever you visualize yourself in wealth. When you think positively about money, you attract advantageous circumstances, people, and events that increase your income. Since the subconscious mind converts negative statements into positive ones, we are also aware of the power of your words. For this reason, you should never tell yourself, "I can't bear it." Seeing that you don't have enough money indicates that you believe you don't have enough, which makes it impossible to get more into your life. If you concentrate on not having enough money, you will cause countless more instances of financial hardship. Focus on having plenty of money to draw it to you in order to attract more of it. You are focusing just on what you can obtain. Consider attracting something as modest as a cup of coffee to get your attraction adventure started. You can swiftly proceed to construct enormous things as soon as you realize how powerful you are and how you can attract others. As you think of good ideas, you emit a powerful frequency of emissions that make you feel good and attract more good things to you. Keep in mind that when you are feeling good, you can powerfully attract all the good things to you. This book says that you can do anything you want, and there is no limit, but you have to feel good in order to do it. Follow these 3 steps of the creative process for money. Step 1. Ask. As you think of good ideas, you emit a powerful frequency of emissions that make you feel good and attract more good things to you. Keep in mind that when you are feeling good, you can powerfully attract all the good things to you. This book says that you can do anything you want, and there is no limit, but you have to feel good in order to do it. Step 2. Trust. Have faith that you've succeeded. When you ask, you must be aware that the money, or whatever you desire, is yours. For instance, if you have requested a withdrawal from a bank, you can relax knowing that you will receive the necessary amount and go with your life. Step 3. Achieve. To do so, begin to feel fantastic right now. When the money comes in, you should feel like you expect. Making money makes you feel good, and it's no accident that you're the one getting paid when you're feeling good. You will get what you asked for, and all the nice things that come your way are on the frequency. At the same time, tell yourself over and over again, the money is with me. I'm fortunate to have money, and I can buy anything I want. You'll feel better about money and alter your ideas and views as you go. Keep in mind that everything is drawn to you like a magnet. Your magnetism strength will increase as you practice and start to see the law of attraction work its magic on you. This is because you will be combining the power of knowledge and trust. And in that case, you'll realize that 10 crore rupees is nothing compared to what the universe and you can afford. Consider the following. I love my job, I've been so helpful to work with, I have the best clients, and the best I've ever had. It will help you feel grateful. The law of attraction can grant you things like, I have a big tax refund, I respect money, and I have everything it allows me to do, concentrates on drawing more into life. Despite having no cost, gratitude is more valuable than all the money in the world. Thus, express gratitude. Conclusion. Let us reiterate the lessons once. While negative studies demonstrate the lack of love, positive thoughts are centered on you and are derived from love. Therefore, think positively and improve your relationships. Consider and discuss any wonderful qualities you would like to see in your spouse, then relax, feel happy, and let the universe take care of the rest. You have the power to take control of your ideas and alter your life, regardless of where you are right now or what happens in it. You are born with the right to good health. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that you may use to create your ideal version of yourself because you are your own creator. So, make greater use of this instrument. Feel pleased about your financial situation. When you generate positive thoughts, you release a strong frequency of emissions that draw in additional positive things. We learned how to get money, love, and excellent health from this book. You may accomplish anything you set out to do in life by using the law of attraction. Start making those fantasies come true and use optimistic thinking to build a better life. Simply begin to feel those things in your vision and think positively to begin living a better life. Try this for 30 days and see what happens. Observe the amount of magic that will occur with you. From this review of today alone, what will you begin to learn? From this review of today alone, what will you begin to learn? Which aspect of life, health, love, or finances is it? In order to further boost its vibrational power, do let us know by leaving a remark. The Secret to Love, Health, and Money Book Review. If you are having problems with love, health, or money, this book is a gift from God that will help you change and reclaim your life. The ideas of creating greatness in our lives are made simple by Rand Byron's captivating prose. The book outlines a step-by-step process for opening the doors to excellent health and wonderful, fulfilling relationships. It should come as no surprise that a reader will recognize the beauty of the magnificence when the address of the secret treasure wealth is revealed to all of them. To put it briefly, everyone who is struggling in any of the aforementioned areas should read this book. Thank you.